demonstration of the levitation assignment. For this assignment, you're going to need a couple of really important pieces. One of them is your SLR camera, which should be secured to your tripod. This is going to be really important that you have it secure, that it's level, and that your legs are pulled out and they're stable. And the idea is you're going to take two photographs and you're going to merge them in Photoshop, allowing you to create some really cool illusions. And the first shot, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that whatever the location is, whatever the backdrop is to your concept, that you have everything just off the set. So you're not in the shot, the chair is not in the shot, and now you can go ahead and take this photo. Make sure that your drive mode is set to single shooting. So hit drive and move over to single shooting. Looking for good exposure here. I'm pretty much even. I'm focused. Done. Okay, so I got my first shot. That's the easy part. In the next shot, you're going to change your drive mode to self-timer 10 second. So hit drive again, hit the drive button, and hit self-timer 10 second. And in this one, you're going to get into position. Maybe you have a prop, so maybe I could try this as a concept. So I'm ready to go here. I'm again going to push my button to get the timer starting countdown. There we go. I got 10 seconds. And in this photo, basically I'm going to get on the chair, maybe do some kind of a dynamic pose, see what I get there. Okay, why not? And let's just check to see. And I'm going to do one more shot just for just to give me something to try in editing. Slightly different idea here. And in this one, maybe I'll go no video camera, and I'll just lay back and try this. Why not? See how that looks. Okay, yeah, those should work. Okay, next step, off to Photoshop.